Alright guys, this quick update on the Flash. So I went with the smaller radiator. That's number one. There's the old one right there. I just received a used top mount T4 manifold, which I did modify myself. I had to cut the flange and turn it a little bit to fit my Borg Warner turbo. And yes, that's right, I got it powder coated gold. Did the valve cover, also powder coated gold. Just got a Venom intake manifold. Had to fix up some welds on it. And got this also powder coated in gold. I don't know if I'm going to be keeping this, but we'll see what happens. I also picked up a Q45 throttle body. I did resurface this so it's nice and flat, as well as get the intake manifold resurfaced. Let's see what else. Alright, let's real quick, I'm just going to go inside the car because I have been doing a little bit of work in here. As you can see, I have this side painted as well as the other half of the roll cage. Very hard to tell, but this is just going to be a quick video just to show you a little bit of updates on it. I am going to show you a video with the car running as well. I'm going to start it up and, just to show you that it does run still. Everything is good to go. It's going to be running with the old intake manifold. I did just take it off and put this one on, but it's getting late, so I'm going to call it a night. But everything looks and is going so far so good. The engine sounds great. This I have to build custom mounts for on the bottom. Just there's no mounts right now. That's for the external wastegate. The turbo is spinning, so that's pretty cool. I also got dash 10 bungs welded into the intake manifold. So this is just a quick video of what it looks like. How's it going? Got my seat up there. Let's back up a little bit. There you go. Nice. All right. Stick around. I'll keep updating and posting.